Good morning, Pocatello. We are headed off to Ontario, Oregon now. Snowstorms passed, and hopefully good weather from here on out. Get cereal bars for breakfast, and now onwards. So, day's updates. Me and Kean's been driving from Pocatello towards Twin Falls. We're just heading Twin Falls. Weather's better. It's warming up. Road's primarily covered with truckers. The snow zone is gone. I'm chewing on garlic to build up my immune system again because we are heading towards population centers eventually back in Washington. I'm still nervous about going home. Don't want to because I just don't feel it's as safe as where we've been in isolated circumstances. I don't know how much longer we can stay remote. My roommate's not comfortable with me going back to delivery work, but if I don't have web work coming in, I don't know what else to do for income. So dilemmas. And a friend of mine lives in Seattle. Got into a huge debate with me and another friend of mine over the lockdowns and states and stuff. And but the world the way it is now is crashing. I mean, it really is a situation. I see more harm from a lockdown than good. We roadway in Ontario, and then dropped off our bags, and then I went and got groceries at grocery outlets for the next few days, and some more bleach since there's no sanitizing sprays available. I'll put that in the spray bottle, and then spray the room, clean off the surfaces and stuff. We wiped down all the groceries. As I was doing that, some guy was walking by and saw my gold pan and asked, "Oh, so you do gold panning?" I'm like, "Yeah." And he goes, "You headed north?" I'm like, "Yep." He goes, "You should go by Sumter, and they have plenty of camping spots there, and the cops are lazy so they won't harass you, and they want tourists." I'm like, "Even now?" Because I'm pretty sure. And even though we're not tourists, but yeah, and I guess he felt sorry for us looking at our car and how I'm packed up and stuff. He goes, "And here's a few bucks to help with gas." Like, thanks, really appreciate that. So that was today's afternoon.
Evening update. We had grabbed Panda Express across from the hotel, staying at the roadway. And Kean, please don't kick me, okay? And I'm doing my update, okay? So Kean, we tried to get Kean's homework done, but the internet was having such bad problems. Apparently the extender here at the roadway in Ontario is so new, and it's connected to Dazen, and
can play video games. Some video games don't need internet.
So I did some file storage archiving to try to free up some space on my laptop. Oh gosh, we got to talk with Kean's mom, and we'll be heading out into the weekend, so won't have probably any internet. What else did we do last night? Anything? We read 2 books. We Ancient Circle and The Zombie Survival Guide.
And 100 books.
100 bucks. Yeah. So uneventful. No client work. Oh, we're really slow on that end. Anyways, good night, Ontario.